If you've been gaining weight in quarantine, girl, I got you, or boy. I am gonna show you today how to make these amazing 30 something calorie brownies for a piece, which is about maybe 500 calories, less than that. No, it's like 333 calories for the entire brownie. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna tie my hair because it's so freaking hot, and don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. This is all the ingredients that you need, but you don't have to screenshot it because I'm gonna have it in the description box below for you guys. Let's get started for real. I'm using this clear glass mixing bowl just to get everything mixed in there. This is 1/4 of almond milk, and then I'm using 1/3 of Greek yogurt. You can definitely make this recipe vegan if you want, but it's just gonna be different in terms of calories. Add 1 egg into the mixture, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of oats. This is the most important part of the recipe because we need to keep the ingredients low calorie, so stevia is really the best way to do it. I put just 1/2 cup of stevia. It's still gonna be super sweet just like sugar, but it's not sugar. It also has 0 calories, so add a pinch of salt and mix everything together. You can actually blend this in a blender, but I just mix it with my spoon and it's fine. I was contemplating if I should use this round Pyrex bowl or this bread loaf pan because I didn't have a brownie pan. Have a tasty taste. Oh my god. I decided on the loaf pan, so I'm just here transferring all the rest of my mixture onto this pan. I'm using a spoon to level out the brownie better so that it's not wonky. To be honest, I was kind of worried that was going to come out ugly, but the baking powder really helps puff it out, and you're going to see what it looks like when it comes out the oven. I'm adding kind of like shards of chocolate bars onto my brownie just because I wanted to have a more kind of lava molten-y texture. Obviously, the calorie is going to increase, but it's still gonna be under 500 calories, depends on what chocolate bar you use. Now we're gonna bake our brownie for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. What it looks like when it's cooled. I'm gonna transfer it to like a plate and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. And there you have it. Look at this fudgy, low calorie brownie. I am so proud of this, and let's give it a try.
They taste really good. I thought the stevia was gonna like leave this weird aftertaste, but actually not at all. It actually tastes really decent. It tastes like any other brownie.
Here's more footage of me just munching on the brownie, but honestly, it's really good and really rich. The chocolate is really decadent. I've never even used that word in my life, like verbally. Considering that this was homemade and it tastes really like store-bought, I'm not even gonna lie. But I think that the chocolate shards really did help a lot. I would definitely make it again with the chocolate shards or chocolate chips, even though it will add a little bit more calories, but it's still gonna be under like 500 calories if you add a little bit on top of it. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!